everyone, I'm Akom from the EcoFlow Authorized Distributor in Thailand. We are here at the EcoFlow booth at the Future Energy Asia 2023. So behind me is the EcoFlow booth. Many kind of the product range of the power, portable power station. We are here that we have a new two-band wheel of the EcoFlow that launching in the CES 2023 in USA, and we bring it all here right now in Thailand. So we are here with the Mackie. Hi Mackie, how you doing?
Hi Uncle. Thank you for introducing.
So Mackie is the marketing director of the Southeast Asia. What are we doing here in the Future Energy Asia? This is the first time in Thailand, right?
Yes, this is our first time in Thailand
and
to
you bring the new two-band wheel of the EcoFlow that launching in the CES, right?
Yes. So here we have our new Wave 2, which is the portable AC, and we upgrade the products a lot of features, and also we have another brand new, which is our Glacier. It is a portable refrigerator with the ice maker. So as you know, for EcoFlow, we mainly do portable power stations, and now we are bringing our new portable power station River 2 series here. So we will have River 2, River 2 Max, and River 2 Pro. So all of them, they are upgrade the chemistry to lithium, and also it has more life cycle, which means you can use for our users, it will be more user friendly and also very light to carry around. So if you are outdoor lover, you want to have your home backup, you can also use our portable power station. As you know, EcoFlow, we mainly do power stations, so all of those are our power stations, not only for outdoor, but also for your home using, your professional using, like constructors or something. And also the back over there is our power kits and also our smart home panel, which will be mainly for our home using or our RV users. We also have our solar panels as well, because in Thailand, everybody's talking about green energy, so we also want to bring that to our users.
Green energy.
So we also have our solar panels here to give people more access to the solar energy. So for the power kits, normally if you would like to install your home power system, normally we will have different components like MPPT, inverter converter, quite complicated for an end user to install in their house. But here we bring you like the whole kit.
It's a traditional one. Redesign everything to customize the energy that you want, right?
Yes, very easy. Very easy to install. Just plug and play. We have pretty much enough energy for your home using. It can up to 30 kWh. You can also charge the battery with our solar panels or multiple ways like a gas generator or even shore power. Technically, we bring out the smart home panel with our Delta Pro or our other portable power stations.
Power kit.
Yes. So basically, you can distribute into different routes. So you can use for your lights, for your refrigerator, for your washing machine. You
like a home appliance, everything that you have in the house.
Exactly.
Right?
So you don't have to worry about maybe you can only use for your lights. You can pretty much power everything in your house.
It means that we can produce the solar energy and reduce the bill of the energy. So we can produce everything. It means that we don't need to, pay more bill on the electricity anymore, right?
Yeah.
So this is right here, right now in Thailand. So we can produce everything in the house without, connect to the grid. So we have the battery. So we have the solar generation to, store in the storage in the house. It's really safe, right?
Yes, very impressive.
Yeah. What will be the next of the generation of the EcoFlow that we're gonna do?
We heard a lot of voices, like feedbacks from our end users. They were talking about their home using, their daily using. So of course, our new products will stick to our end users' feedback and bring lots of amazing products for the end user, for their home, for their daily life. So I think everybody can stay tuned. Once we are going to launch it, you better not miss it.
This is the future of the battery that we can do with the EcoFlow.
EcoFlow, power a new world.